everyday routine, but we don't do it as much as we should. Please consider drinking water enough. Hi, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to talk about how to get a natural glow skin without bleaching, without using an expensive product, without using any harsh product on the skin. So before we dive into this video, just grab your tea or your drink and let's dive into this. First tip I'm going to give you guys is drinking of water. It's commonly known, right? Water is commonly known. We do that every day. It is part of us. It is everyday routine, but we don't do it as much as we should to achieve a very beautiful skin for ourselves. Drinking water helps the skin to be very hydrated and also helps the skin to glow. It brightens the skin. Do you know drinking water slows down aging?
Really?
Do you know drinking enough water lessens wrinkles? Yes, awesome. It does all these things. So please consider drinking water enough, as much as you can contain in your belly. Drink much to achieve a very beautiful skin. Next tip I'm going to talk about is sleep. Yeah, the word sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Getting enough sleep, like 7 to 9 hours every night, enables you to achieve a very healthy skin and also prevent you from fewer breakouts and also from wrinkles. So our third point, you need to exercise. If you're a fan of doing yoga, then it's a plus for you. If you're a fan of exercising, it's a plus for you. It helps you to reduce stress. When you're stressed, trust me, there's no way you're going to look beautiful. No way you're going to look beautiful. So try as much as possible to leave some things away. Leave it. Be meditating, do your yoga. If you can skip. If you can walk, you walk. Okay, be doing that to release stress. After exercising, make sure to take in a very good meal, a balanced meal. This is our fourth tip. Take in a very balanced meal which contains vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Okay, yes, doing that will help promote your health, and promoting your health will bring out your natural glow. If you don't have money to go to the counter to get those vitamin C, vitamin E and stuff, you can prepare meals like this. Okay, meals like this can help you attain a very healthy skin. To our fifth point or sixth point, right? I'm getting off track. Let me sip my drink a little. Okay, so what's number are we? 6, right? So number 6 tip is do not drink alcohol. Avoid sweets also. To make you look very old. Do you know that? Try as much as possible to avoid these things, and trust me, your skin will look very nice and beautiful. And after taking care of your inner, you need to take care of your outer. Okay, so the 6th or 7th tip I'm going to give you is exfoliating. Please and please do not take this out of your skincare regimen. Do not do so. Exfoliating helps take off dirt from the skin, and it also enable whatever products you use to penetrate in the skin and bring out its beauty. So please do as much as possible to exfoliate twice in a week. I have a video I'm going to link in how to determine your skin type. Okay, so you know your skin type and know how to exfoliate. If you have sensitive skin, you do not have to exfoliate every day, like once a week or once in 2 weeks. You can do that. If you have a normal skin, you can do that twice a week. If you have oily skin, we have oily skin on our face, but we don't have it on our body. If you have oily skin, you can be getting charcoal mask for your skin. Okay, you'll be doing mask, you'll be exfoliating. These things helps you to get a natural glow skin. Please do well to exfoliate twice a week. If you have sensitive skin, you do it once a week. Okay, and if you have a normal skin, you can do it 3 times a week. It's okay. After exfoliating and everything, please make sure to get a very good cleanser, a very good moisturizer that suits your skin. Okay, getting those stuff will help you attain your natural glow skin. And also make sure to get a sunscreen whenever you are going out. Please do not skip that. And do all these, trust me, you're going to get a very natural, beautiful skin. So that brings us to the end of this video. And please, if you have any question at all, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to answer you. If it has to be done in a video form, I'll do that for you. All right, so please do what to like and share. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.